Does this ever happen to you? Making your family their favorite meal and you get carried away? Well, let's hope what's about to happen next wouldn't be your situation. Stop! Whenever oil is on fire, first thing you need to do is remain calm and follow this main step. If fire is still contained in a pot or pan, turn off the heat on the burner. Look for a large lid. Slide over the pot and cover the flame. The flame should be smothered and put out. If you have baking soda readily available, toss as much as possible into the pot. If you have a kitchen ABC extinguisher, arm and aim at the flame source. Immediately turn off the heat source afterwards. Never pour water onto a burning oil fire. It will erupt in a ball of flames and steam, hurting you and spreading the fire. Remember, your family's safety depends on your actions. Be proactive about your family safety. For more information, please visit www.hsplusng.org.